Hi guys, welcome to Club 9. My name is Olahavi. You guys know I always give you guys very good content to ensure you understand how trading really works, how you can become very profitable. Okay, yeah. So today we're going to be talking about candle closure, and you know what? Make sure you listen to this video to the end because you're going to learn something new. And don't forget that this particular topic is for advanced traders. So if you're an advanced trader, then come closer. If you're still a new trader, don't worry, I have something very good for you guys. So listen. Now, as an advanced trader, there are some things you also have known, like understanding how your exchanges work, understand how to use your trading view properly. Okay, then let's dive into this video and let's see what we're doing. So here I'll come to my trading view. So it's already been set up. It has already been set up. Now, the idea behind candle closure is to understand the strength of the movement, depending on your strategy. You know, people have different ways they trade, different indicators, different things comes into the market. Imagine, as much as we have a lot of traders, we all can be trading the same way. Okay, and that's the reason why you have to develop your own ideas, your own, ideology to ensure that you put yourself into profit. Though this won't take you little days, it's going to take you a while for you to master the market to ensure you are trading profitably, because you are trading with big traders, you're trading with professionals. You know what that means? Yeah. So let's understand how candle closure is. Now, you can do candle closure on any time frame. We teach about what we call top-down analysis, which is we use our 4 hours. We start from the 4 hours time frame. We narrow it all the way down to 15 minutes time frame because we are day traders. Okay, it all depends on the kind of trader that you are. Now look at this. So we have this couple of things. So we have here. Okay, so on the 4 hours time frame, if you want to consider candle closure, then you have to look at this. So bring your horizontal trend line, make it here. Now here we are looking at this candle closure to determine this, and also to determine this as well. Can you see that? We're using this candle closure. So this candle actually closed here. And we're looking at, okay, if this candle closes here, okay, means that if it comes back to this level, it simply means there are two things you need to consider: either a breakout or a downtrend, or you can call it a bounce. Okay, it bounces on this trend line and comes down. Because it's very important for you to understand candle closure so that you know where to put your lines. You see, for candle closure, you won't put your line at the tip. Okay, you put it at where the volume actually closed. Yeah, but the funniest thing is, on the lower time frame, these lines are very important because there are liquidity around those areas. But on the higher time frame, you consider what the market presents. So that's for that. Then here, look at this place. Now, we have already used this to determine this. Then we can also use this to determine the future candles. So let's see. So let's come here. Let's remove this. Okay, so I will drag this down a bit. So the candle closed here. Can you see? So when I'm coming here, if I have to wait for the candle to form, that's from here to here. Then here you can see here there's a downtrend all the way. Okay, so if I have to trade this strategy, then you have to wait for the candle to get to this place before you make any decision, if that is your strategy. Okay, yeah. Then now that it's here, then you can now take a drastic move, as you can see. Okay, this is here. So now it's using this wick to determine they happening around that area. So what you need to do immediately the candle get to this place, let's come down a bit, and you go to your lower time frame, go to your 1 hour time frame. Now this is the 1 hour. Can you see that even on the 1 hour time frame it's giving us what we call a double top? Now that's easy. Double top, 1, 2, down all the way. You see? So that's how it is. That's how you determine this. So for you to get your entry, you need to go to your 15 minutes time frame. If you're a swing trader, apparently you might find your entry around the 1 hour time frame. But as a day trader, you have to come to what's it called, 15 minutes time frame to get your entry. Now look at this. Can you see? So here you can see that immediately this candle closed. This candle closed. There was a sell pressure. Okay, and where you will take action is when the candle close below this line. Then you know that yes, we are going down, right? Very easy. So can you see that? So this was just pump, okay, to the upside, or let's say overbought region. That region is an overbought region. That's the reason why you see this candle pushing to the upside. This candle here, right? So, but you can see that until it closed above on the higher time frame, then you not consider an uptrend. But as it is on the higher time frame, we didn't close above. Okay, if you check, you see. So that's how you determine your candle closure. It's very, very important. Okay, then you can see how you're able to use your candle closure all the way. Now look at this area as well. Here, let's bring this line here. Now this is, look at this. You see, this is still a downtrend because the candle hasn't closed above this structure. This is a level. Let's call it. You can call it a structure. You can also call it a level. Now this is on the 15 minutes time frame. I'm using the 15 minute time frame to determine the closure of this candle. So that will now determine my entry. Okay. Now here, apparently you need to know what is also going on the higher time frame, because the higher time frame has a lot of details to show the big traders. Okay, but the lower time frame has a lot of details to show the small traders. Right now here we are still on a downtrend. So for you to place your entry, you need this candle, you need a candle to close above to show that this trend is still active. Just for you to know that this trend is still active. That means this is 9:47. So you need to wait till 10. Yes, you need to wait till 10 p.m. okay, for you to determine either to go in or to stay. Okay, so that's just the way it is. So if we still close below, then you can now go short. Okay, this is still a short position. Now look at this. This is how I trade. I ensure that I minimize my my losses. Okay, my stop loss are very, very minimal, very small, and my profit are very huge. Okay, it can be 1 to 3, 1:3. It could be 1:5, 1:10. Okay, it depends on how I'm able to push my stop loss. Okay, if I have that ability to push my stop loss very well, then I always grab between 1:3 to 1:5, right? So that's just the way it is. Yeah, so that's how candle closure is. So if you still have any question, just ask me. And for those who are still young traders, I will encourage you to join my beginners class. Okay, that will help you to start this journey properly, understand all you need to know to become a profitable trader. It's very important. Okay, not just taking signals. Yes, the signals are very good, but you still need to understand how signals are being taken, because two people can take one signal, one will lose and one will gain, depending on their understanding. Understanding in this game is very, very important. Okay, it's what you know you implement. When you implement what you know, I can assure you that you get results, right? instead of just trading big, because you can just press buy and sell and make money. Okay, it's as easy as making money. It's also as easy as losing money, vice versa. So use your knowledge to put yourself on the edge of making profits. It's as simple as that. Okay, so guys, that will be it for this video. I still have tons and tons of videos we're going to release. Just make sure that you stay tuned. Follow my page on Instagram, TikTok, Telegram. We're also on Telegram. We also have our meetings on Telegram. Then we are also on Facebook. So I'm going to drop the link in the description below. So make sure you follow me on all my social pages so that you don't miss any of my video. I'm very sure you're going to enjoy a lot of my videos. So stay peace. Bye for now.